Hey everyone, ready to level up your English? Today, we're going to master 15 powerful idioms that'll make you sound like a pro. Let's dive right in. 1. All ears, meaning ready to listen carefully. Example: when I told her about my new job, she was all ears. 2. Bide your time, meaning wait patiently for the right opportunity. Example: he's just biding his time until he gets promoted at work. 3. In black and white, meaning clear and simple in writing. Example: I need the agreement in black and white before we proceed. 4. A square deal. It means a fair and honest arrangement. For example, don't worry, I'll give you a square deal on the car. 5. Seal the deal. This means to finalize an agreement. For instance, we sealed the deal after negotiating for hours. 6. Buckle down. It means to get serious and start working hard. For example, it's time to buckle down and finish your project. 7. Up in arms. This phrase means very angry or upset. For example, the community was up in arms over the new policy. 8. A fat cat. This term refers to a wealthy and influential person. For instance, the fat cats in the company make all the big decisions. 9. Chicken feed. This expression means a small amount of money. An example would be, that's chicken feed compared to what he usually earns. 10. Like a dog with two tails. This means to be extremely happy or excited. For example, when she got the promotion, she was like a dog with two tails. 11. Fish out of water. This phrase means feeling uncomfortable in an unfamiliar situation. For instance, at the formal event, I felt like a fish out of water in my casual clothes. 12. Other fish to fry. This means having more important things to do. For example, I can't stay for the meeting, I have other fish to fry. 13. Monkey business. This idiom refers to foolish or dishonest behavior. For example, cut the monkey business and focus on your work. 14. Mouse potato. This is used to describe a person who spends a lot of time on the computer. For instance, he's such a mouse potato, always glued to his computer. 15. At your wit's end. This means feeling frustrated or overwhelmed, unsure what to do next. Like in the sentence, after hours of trying to fix the problem, I was at my wit's end. Now you're armed with 15 idioms that will take your English to the next level. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool English tips. See you next time on Everyday English Insights.